While you're busy enjoying your Christmas holiday, don't forget to make extra cash from the comfort of your home. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Delphine, and on this channel we talk about all things money. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all my amazing subscribers. And to those of you that have refused to subscribe, I still wish you guys Merry Christmas. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a website that pays you to do research, be it medical, clinical, educational, any form of research. They pay up to $50 per research. So we're going to review this particular website and see if it is something you can do from your location. Okay, so I'll show you the website, I'll walk you through the sign up process, and if it is something you can do, you go ahead and sign up for that particular one. Okay, so don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know if you signed up and if your country is being taken for this particular one. Okay, I've heard a lot of reviews about them. They pay really well. Okay, so there's no harm in trying. Just try it out and see if it pays you. Like I said, while you're enjoying your Christmas holiday, don't forget to make extra cash from the comfort of your couch. So let's dive right in. So this is the website. It's called respondent.io. So when you come to the website, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below or in the pinned comment section. If you come up to this page, you select participant. So you want to earn money by participating in user research, not as a researcher. So once you click on it, it takes you to the sign up page. So to get accepted into this particular platform, you must make sure that you complete this informations here: your demographic, location, employment, payments, and code of conduct. Make sure that you complete these details. It is very important to get accepted, and before you start getting research jobs, you must make sure that you complete these details. They are very important, guys. The requirements, that is the details that I showed you guys. Once you're done completing those details, you'll be taken through a tour. It says, "Hey dear, Respondent is a place to earn money by sharing your insights with the world's leading companies. Let's get started with a quick tour of Respondent to set you up for your first project." So you can skip for now or you click on Start Tour. So this is going to walk you through all you need to know before you get started with your project, if there's any for you. So it says, if you're looking for something in particular, you can type a keyword to search project, that is here. Okay. So for instance, I lost that one. You can type in anything that you want based on these topics here and open it and check if there is any available jobs. You can select any type of select 3 topics out of this whole topic that you're seeing here and open it and see if there's available surveys or research. Okay, so for instance, this one was posted 20 days ago and it was for 15 minutes. It's a qualitative research study, so they only needed your input and you get paid $50. So what to expect is brief screening questions to ensure you qualify. Main recording flow lasting approximately 15 minutes. This one also says, share your thoughts about a marketplace. It was posted a month ago and it was the pay was $30. Okay, so make sure you complete your profile. That is very important, like I mentioned. So I need to go verify my email after this video. If you have a work email, you can put it there. Verify your phone number. You can upload a profile photo and the rest of the things that they are requesting. This is where your messages will be, if there's any, or you can also start a conversation. here. So this is where your project is going to be, and also where you're going to browse projects on any topic. So browse your project on any topic. Let's say, for instance, we're browsing on cars. Let's browse on cars. So you can see my dashboard right now. My dashboard has a couple of jobs that were posted recently. Okay, this one was even posted 4 hours ago. It says, help us shape the future of beauty, personal care and hair care. Your expertise, our innovation. So they're looking for participants living in the United Kingdom who work and or are associated in the beauty and personal care industry for an upcoming usability study. And the pay is $75. It's a one-on-one remote, which means it might be on a Zoom call. This one was posted 8 days ago, seeking your opinion on laundry products. This one is says dining out survey. Share your restaurant experience. 5 minutes. It's unmoderated study. You can see that it really pays well. If you get accepted, you will make a lot of money. Okay, although I keep saying that it will not pay your bills, like it will not make you quit your 9 to 5 because it's not stable, but it will go a long way. So this one was posted 6 minutes ago, seeking participants for our online research study, beauty and shopping trends. You're going to earn $200 for it. So it says, seeking participants to join our online research study regarding current shopping and beauty trends. Each respondent will receive $200 for participating. So I'm actually going to go sign up for this particular one right now, guys. I hope you go and do so and check if there's a couple of them available in your location. They also have help center to help you if you need any queries answered. You can check out their help center. But as for me, I'm going to go sign up for this particular one. So when you click on it and it starts the screener questions, so I'm going to do that off camera. Okay, it has about 27 questions for me to answer. Okay, it says incentive is subject to a 5% $1 minimum fulfillment fee. So it was posted today, 6 minutes or 4 minutes ago. So I'm going to go do this one off camera, but let's proceed with the remaining part of this video. So my project is where you get all the projects, and the most important part of it is that you can refer someone and get paid as well. So you're not just only signing up, you can also get paid by referring your friends and family. You earn up to $20 when you refer a new respondent user who earns $75 in total incentive. Okay, so like I always say, post these links to your social media platforms so that people in other locations, other countries can see this. It's not about or only about people in your country. Post it so that other people can see it from other locations, and that will help you to make more money, because these jobs depends on your location. The amount of projects I get might not be the same with someone in Kenya and India. Okay, so share your links, share your referral links to people, to your social media platforms, because on this channel we talk about all things money. So anywhere, anyhow you want to share your referral link, share it. Okay, so that's it for this one, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know if you signed up and if your country is being taken for this particular one.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.